Ever wanted to control your project and work perfectly with others? Then you're in the right place to learn how to add a repository to GitHub. First, go to github.com and make sure you're logged into your account. See the plus sign near the top right corner. Click it, and a drop-down menu will appear from the menu. Select the option for New Repository. Now it's time to name your repository. Choose a clear and descriptive name that reflects what your project is about. Next, you'll find a section for a repository description where you can briefly explain the purpose of your project. Moving along, choose whether you want your repository to be public or private. Public repositories are visible to everyone, while private ones are restricted to you and the people you grant access. Now comes the fun part, initializing your repository. You can choose to add a README file. This is a great place to explain your project in further detail. You can also add a gitignore file, which is useful for excluding files you don't want to track. Finally, you can add a license to your repository. This specifies how others are allowed to use your code. Once you have settled on these options, click the green Create Repository button. And there you have it. You've successfully created a new repository on GitHub. You can now start uploading your code, collaborating with others, and managing your project efficiently. Happy coding!